How you will decide which pattern you need to use?
Which pattern is it?
Yes, we discussed three patterns. Am I
Ah,
right?
yes.
So which pattern we need to use? How you will decide?
Mm,
Sync, synchronous, asynchronous, event one.
no, here I think we need to use all the three patterns. For example, while placing the order, it should be synchronous method, and while doing the payment, when while doing the payment activity, it will be asynchronous, and while updating the stock or informing the delivery team about the order will be the event based. I think there is no thing like only one pattern can be used. All the three under different circumstances. Based on the circumstances, we have to use one of the three patterns.
Okay, but I am interested to means I am expecting answer from you. Hey, these are the things with the help of that we can decide. Hey, for this particular use case, we will go with this pattern. For this particular case, we will go with this pattern. I require some means you can say uh, criteria to differentiate.
Ah,
Why?
yeah, right, right. That's what. Now, in place of when the customer is placing the order, it should be synchronous. It should be the product should be displayed in the web or in the sorry in the mobile or web. The moment he clicks, then all the activity has to happen synchronously. The moment he clicks, then bring the product, then place the order. These are all synchronous. Then and there immediately it has to happen. So that's why I chose the synchronous pattern. Once the order, so that is order part. Then coming to payment part is from a third party entity. So I enter the details, then the payment is happening. That is happening in the background. So that will be that need not be synchronous. That will happen in the asynchronous mode. Uh, and then the delivery takes place based on the event. My event is payment is done. Now delivery has to start. So that will be done based on this event called payment mode. So on in these three cases, we need three different patterns to be executed.
But you don't think so means for payment, their client require confirmation as soon as possible. Client cannot wait for means your confirmation. Am I right?
But that happens in the background. The after yeah, okay, fine, 1 minute. Payment part when it comes. I call the third party application, then I enter the details. Then no, sorry, I think when payment also comes into synchronous mode, it has to happen. Then immediately only then I can take the next action. Okay, yeah, sorry. I think payment is again, sorry, synchronous. And then yeah, delivery. Delivery is definitely an asynchronous mode because after I get the notification that payment is done, I go and do the delivery part of it. That is an event-based pattern. Then updating my stock also will happen in asynchronous mode. As the delivery starts, this will happen in the background. So that will be an asynchronous. Updating the stock details will be an asynchronous. So that will be an event-based pattern.
Okay.
I think with this example of a boutique, I think these are the use cases I can think of so far with whatever we discussed. Maybe you are having better experience. You may have a different thinking mode.
Okay. For that means as you know means we can use these three patterns.
Ah,
So for to identify these three pattern, you simply ask three questions.
okay.
First, does user need? Immediate response.
Ah,
Does user need immediate response? If
okay.
your answer is yes, go
Ah,
with the synchronous.
synchronous. Okay.
Simply.
Hmm.
Can this run in a background?
Okay.
If yes, then go with the asynchronous.
Asynchronous. Oh, okay.
Will multiple service react? Then go with the event driven.
Oh, multiple service event driven. Okay.
Multiple service react on that.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Fine.
And if means you can say you can represent this in a you can say flow chart as well. Based on
Okay.
that, you will get a decision like
Okay.
this: immediate response needed. Then go for use synchronous. Yes, you go for synchronous.
Mm-hmm.
If no, use async.
Okay.
Multiple consumer. Then after asynchronous, we will check. Hey, multiple consumers are there. Yes or no. If
Mm.
yes, go
Mm.
for event driven.
Okay.
If no, use queue based async.
Oh, cube based. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Dhiral,
And
sorry, Dhiral, you have not shared the screen.
yes, yes,
Okay. Okay.
yes,
Okay.
yes, yes, yes. Okay, let me share my screen. That time I was discussing with you only.
Correct. Okay. Okay.
Oh, when you are able to see my screen, please let me
Yes.
know.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So, so here means how do you actually implement communication pattern in a real system?
Ah. Ah. Ah.
This this guide help us to do that.
Okay.
How design flows,
Okay.
how to choose sync versus async, how
Okay.
to implement in event-driven system, how to handle failure in the real code,
Okay.
tool use in industry. You
Industry.
will get the answer of these all
Okay.
these questions. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So identify communication type.
Mm.
Step one. First
Mm.
we need to identify. Am I
Mm.
right?
Mm. Mm. Mm.
Sir, identification, how to decide real thinking.
Mm.
Ask these three questions.
Mm.
Does user need
Immediate response.
immediate response?
Okay.
Yes. Use synchronous.
Okay.
Can this run in a background? Go for asynchronous.
Mm.
Will multiple service react?
Mm.
Use event driven.
Okay. Okay.
And here decision flow start.
Mm.
Need immediate response needed? Yes, no.
Mm.
If yes, use synchronous. No,
Mm.
use asynchronous.
Mm.
Multiple consumer. If there is a multiple consumer
Mm.
for our service, then go for event driven. If it's a
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
If no, then go for queue.
Okay.
So if we will work in a synchronous manner,
Mm.
we are doing this way.
Okay.
Orders calling payment service, and we are
Okay.
give a response.
Okay.
And await means it's waiting for some time,
Ah.
but it's not a, you can say take long time means it will not a thing which will take long time to run.
Okay.
Okay, so keep response time less than 200 millisecond.
Mm.
Add timeout, add retry limits, avoid key deep chaining.
Okay.
What do you understand from chaining?
Uh, uh, Cascading events, one after the other, one after the other, one after the other. That is called chaining.
Could you give me one example, please?
Okay. Okay, payment failed, retry, payment failed, retry, the payment failed, retry. That is one example I could think of, but I know it is more there. Uh, Chain, one after the other, events one after the other. Uh, oh, no, Deepak, I think here I'm not able to give a good example.
Yeah, you can normally think of you will log in, and after login means you need to, it will check a user profile. Am I
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
First login, then it will go for getting a user profile.
Hmm.
Based on a user profile, it will load your services, whatever services user is applicable.
Hmm.
Okay, and after services, they maybe need to hit a API to load the information of all the services. So this is chaining basically.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Means one output is going to become a input for another.
Another, okay.
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 Why timeout is required?
Why timeout? See, it should not go on in a big loop of keep on trying. See, for example, maybe after some 5 tries, it should come out. For example, let's say now there's a network failure. There's no point in trying it hundreds of times. There's a failure. We don't know what type of failure. One example is network failure. Let it retry for five times. Beyond 5 times, it should come out. It should not keep on going around in that loop and hold the entire resources and do nothing about it. No. Try 5 times and come out. That's time out. Come out of that event after some few tries.
Yes. Means we need to set a limit as well.
Limit, yes.
Time limit as well.
Ah,
Hey, if means user will try for 2 minutes,
ah,
or we can say time to live.
ah,
Means it's a time to live only.
yes.
Okay, common mistake.
Mm,
So order, payment, delivery, notification chain.
mm,
You can see lead to cascading failure chain.
okay. Now
Okay.
here, which is failing? I mean, any one of them fails, is it? Leads to cascading failure. See, we're placing the order, then we do the payment. Once the payment is done, we do the delivery. Once the delivery is done, we do the notification. But he says leads to cascading failure. Uh,
Because we are maintaining chaining.
uh,
Chain.
Chain is maintained. Okay, okay.
Because in a chaining we are trying to do, hey, one is done, then another will start.
Uh,
End of their result. End result we will send to notify to the user.
right.
At the place of that, step by step we need to inform the user. Now what is the status of this? There is no need to maintain the chain.
Oh, okay.
Make sense?
Okay, okay. So break that first. Once order placed, send notification maybe. Once the payment is in, say payment is done, then deliver, then you, oh, okay. Need not be in a chain. Okay, should not be in chain actually.
Avoid deep chaining.
Hmm. Okay.
Implement asynchronous communication.
Hmm.
So this is a way to, you can say, how queue based
Hmm.
order service. We are putting everything in a queue.
Okay.
Here you are able to see publish
Hmm. Hmm.
queue.
Hmm.
And when we publish, it will queue will work on a, you can say, FIFO order, first in first out.
First in, first out. Okay.
You can think of queue is a pipe.
Right, right, right.
Okay,
Hmm.
you will enter from one side and you will exit. If you enter first, you will exit first
Hmm.
as well.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
So consumer notification service, this is a queue.
Hmm.
Here you are able to, this is here topic is same.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Based on that, they are able to listen.
Okay.
Okay. And here you are able to, we are sending the notification when this event or this, you can say, order created,
Mm,
we are
mm,
notifying.
mm, mm, mm.
Okay, so each and every, you can say, step have their own this topic.
Okay.
Okay, so where user can means subscribe and publish.
Yeah.
And for this, tools used
Okay.
Apache Kafka, Rabbit MQ,
Okay.
Amazon SQS.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
order service, queue, notification service. This is a flow.
Okay.
Okay, do you have any concern or question or any clarity required?
No, I had few, and you were able to clear the doubt with respect to example chaining, and I was asking. Okay, I think so far it is okay.
Okay, so now it's a event driven.
Ah, okay.
Earlier we checked the queue flow. Now we
Yeah,
are checking a
event driven.
uh, event publish.
Okay.
So so means here we will use the event bus.
Okay.
Earlier we use queue. Now we
Mm.
are using event bus.
Okay.
So in a event bus we are doing same thing.
Mm.
And here these are the payment handler, delivery handler, and notification handler.
Okay.
So basically for payment, order placed, you are able
Mm.
to see this topic is our same order placed.
Ah, correct.
But you can say faces are different. Payment
Mm.
handler, when we
Mm.
are handling a payment, when
Mm.
we are handling a
Mm.
delivery handler, notification handler.
Mm.
So you can see this is a flow.
Okay.
Now you're able to understand difference between this queue based and event based.
Yeah, 1 minute. Event based. See, queue is FIFO, first in, first out. It happens in a sequence. Whereas in event driven, multiple consumers are there. Okay, order same order place. So one is payment delivery handler, delivery payment handler, delivery handler, notification handler. Then the flow is like this. Order service is one. Order placed is an event. Okay, order placed is an event. Then it services. The consumers are payment service consumes it, delivery service consumes it, and then notification service consumes it. Okay, fine. So this is multiple consumers are there. So this is based on this event. This one takes place. Okay, fine. Right.
Event must be mutable. What do you understand from mutability and immutability?
Mutable is you can change. Immutable is you cannot change. Once you define, when you say it's immutable, you cannot change its contents. For example, once order is placed, nowhere in the middle of the entire transaction, the order quantity nor the order item can be changed. It should be immutable. The moment order is placed, done. That's all. No more change in that. That's called immutable.
Yes. And use schema versioning. What do you understand from this point?
Schema, I know it's a user from database point of view or from Oracle point of view. They say schema is a user with his own objects and permissions and this one. But here, 1 minute, user use schema versioning. 1 minute. Okay, what I can think of is uh, each user whoever logs in will be having a unique identity internally. Uh,
Hold on. What do you understand from schema?
schema, uh, schema is nothing but a user.
Sorry,
or user and his and what objects he owns is a schema.
could you give me any example?
Pardon?
Could you give me example?
Okay, this I have come across a lot for this word when I was working in Oracle database. So there are, for example, two users, user A, user B. So that's called schema A, schema B. Schema A, user A owns some objects. Schema B owns some objects. Uh, so there, um, and we can have different credentials for each of these schema. Uh, User A can go and update the data, whereas user B can only view the data. So that is the schema where they own the objects and they have their own permissions or
Those are you can say role based access control.
correct role.
RBAC.
Correct.
RBAC. That's called RBAC. But
Uh,
what is schema? I'm asking about a schema only.
Schema, I think schema, as far as I know, it's a user, but in this context, I don't know.
This context is same. Everywhere this verb meaning the context is same.
Oh, okay.
So you need to tell me what you know about this word. You can check online what is the meaning of schema. No worries. That's also fine because we are not here to test you. We are not here to judge you. Am I right? And this is not your interview.
Okay.
You can check online, but come up with a solution. What you understand from schema?
Okay. Uh, Fine. We need to okay get that answer. Okay, he says it describes how data is organized, the structure, its structures, types, and relationships.
Understand?
Okay.
Structure.
Hmm.
Structure and how means organized. So
Mm-hmm.
let's say means you have a student. Student should have some properties,
Ah,
name, roll number,
mm,
class, etc.
mm.
That's a called schema,
Okay.
which we need to match.
Okay.
And you can say your SQL is schema based.
Yes, correct.
Every database is schema based. Some database give us a flexibility.
Ah,
They will not restrict. Means first you see your data structure, then you can use.
okay.
So like your SQL means have a this relation based means strict. We need
Mm,
to follow the same structure should be there.
okay.
For every object, structure is same. Okay.
Okay.
And for this NoSQL database, they will not care about this thing.
Oh,
Means every user have their own
okay.
data schema.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
you need to know that.
Okay.
And consumer must be idempotent. What do you
Mm.
understand about this?
There should not be duplicate. There, there should not be any duplication.
Okay,
In the now this one in this context, consumer. Uh, okay, if you just go a little up in the picture, so for example, payment service is one of the consumers. Uh, it cannot do uh, twice the payment for the same order. So it should be only one order or one payment. It should not be duplicated. So that is idempotent. Prevent the duplication. So one who consumes should consume it only once. In the example, as I was thinking that order and payment, if you take even payment or even orders cannot get duplicated. It should be only one order for the entire say, sequence of thing. It should be only one order. If you wants to place another order, it will be another separate flow data. It will be different flow altogether. But otherwise, in one sequence of events, there can't be any duplication.
So, means let's say payment is done.
Yeah,
Event cannot be received multiple times.
multiple time. Okay, okay.
Simple.
Okay.
If there is a must be idempotent.
Mm,
If it's a not idempotent, then it's a wrong. Am I right?
mm, 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 mm.
Why they will receive this event again?
Yeah, it should not. Correct.
Okay.
Mm.
Could you move ahead?
Yes.
So define data ownership.
Ah,
Simple. One service, one database.
okay, okay, okay.
Wrong. Payment service, right? Other DB. Order DB.
Okay. Here what he says, payment service, payments. Okay, for writing the order. Okay, okay, okay. So payment service cannot write into order service with DB. Oh, okay, okay, fine. Correct. Got it. Okay. And what is the correct one? Okay, order placed event, then payment service. Oh, okay.
So here database means Nota means for each and every service you require a different database. No.
Hmm.
The purpose of means one table contain
Hmm.
payment data, another one contain order data,
Hmm.
user data in a different table,
Hmm.
but they can interact with the
Yeah.
help of some references
Right.
like
Right.
for foreign key and this primary key and foreign key concepts are there,
Ah.
or embedded, or you can say reference linking is there in a
Okay.
NoSQL databases.
Okay.
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 Why is important? Data ownership. Why data ownership is important?
No, only when you own something, you can clearly demark all your rules. Uh, and I take the responsibility of the data for all the, for example, displaying the products in my website is entirely my responsibility. I cannot give the responsibility to the customers. They can't put their products on display. So it is my website, my unit, my store. So whatever products I'm showcasing is I take responsibility. I own the data.
That's fine. We are talking about your owner, and it's a means it's understood. You are owner. You are responsible for everything. I'm not talking about that. I'm asking why define data ownership is mandatory or required step, and what you understand from this.
Uh, yeah, so coming back to same example, whatever products I display, that data I own. Then whatever payment, for example, whatever payment happens, um, that data I don't own. That is owned by some other entity.
Hold on. Sridhar, just understand my question.
Ah, ah,
I am just asking
ah,
what why this point is important,
okay.
and that's all. I'm
Okay,
not
fine.
talking about payment data, I'm
Okay,
not
okay,
talking
okay, okay,
about user data, I'm not talking about order data.
okay, okay.
I'm just need to know
Ah,
the advantage of these steps and why it's important.
okay. No, okay. Why is like this? So, so When you own the responsibility of something, you define your own rules, or you put your own boundaries around that. If it is yours, that you are taking responsibility of it, so you define the rules, you define the boundaries. When things are not yours, you cannot put any rules or boundaries around it.
Could we say in a normal term, if you have a loosely coupled things, is a ownership, we have a five worker or five different kind of reports are there,
Ah,
like entities are there.
ah,
If we will, you can say, club all the things in a single thing,
ah,
or you can say single room. If we will give a single room,
ah,
makes sense.
ah.
So, which is a convenient for you to manage, or if you will give a separate room to each of them, which
Okay.
one is good for you?
Yeah, giving a separate room will bring more efficiency.
Same thing we are doing here.
Ah,
Means, let's say we are interested only for you can say user only.
okay.
Then we have a different, you can say, room is there.
Mm.
We knock the door of that room.
Mm,
Why
mm.
will disturb payment and other things?
Ah,
Whatever.
okay, okay, okay.
That's why this is means required.
Okay, okay, okay. Right.
Means you will understand
Ah,
this thing. This is applicable. Loosely coupling is always best
okay,
approach.
okay, okay.
But means in a life,
Ah,
even though means eating healthy food is good for your health, but if you will eat in excess, then
yeah.
still it's dangerous for you.
Danger, correct.
Dangerous for you. So
Yes.
same thing here. You
Okay,
need to think
okay,
to take a decision, or you need to before speak out. Just take a pause and
okay,
think.
okay.
Just take a pause and think.
Mm.
Make sense?
Right, right, right. Okay, okay, okay.
So, implementation uh, tip:
Okay.
use read replicas, use event-based async, never share DB.
Use read replicas. I didn't get replicas. And uh, here, how come suddenly the implementation tip has come? Because earlier, when this previous topic, we were talking about the uh, ownership of the data, but
It's a,
now,
it's a ownership only. We're talking
ah,
about ownership only.
correct. And so uh, under ownership, we're getting implementation tip which says use read replicas, use event-based sync, never share DB. Okay, we'll go one by one. I want here, what is read replicas? I didn't get that.
Okay, what you understand from read? Normal English, what you understand from read?
Okay, some example, simple normal text is shown to you. You are reading that text.
Yes, reading means you are reading something.
Yes,
Okay, and replica, what you understand from replica?
it's a copy.
Yes, same thing. Now you understand.
Okay, read replicas. Okay,
Now you're clear about this point.
one. Okay, okay. So read same thing. So read this. Okay, the read activity, and then replica is copy. That is the same copy. Mm, I think you may have to little elaborate on this, Deepak.
No,
In
no worries.
normal time I got it, but the context I'm not getting.
Let's say you are means have a this. You have a You have a means now. Assume you have a this restaurant counter. Am I right?
Okay. Okay.
And on a restaurant counter, they can inquiry.
Enquiries are there, yes.
Yes, means may I help you is there written there on your restaurant counter
Okay.
section. They
Right.
can customer can inquiry.
Yeah,
Okay.
right, right.
If they can inquiry, they will just read. They want to know some information from you.
Huh.
Okay, so rather than one counter, we will open multiple counter. For
Okay.
may I help you? This is a
Ah,
replica.
okay.
Read
Oh,
replica means.
oh, okay.
You understand?
Yes, yes,
So means we give a right to read on a different counter. You can
yes.
think we have a different replica where you can
Right.
perform a read operation.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Now use event-based sync. Now it's saying event-based and sync as well. What do you understand from this?
Event-based synchronization, sync. Event-based. Now, one event, for example, payment is done, that is an event. Then delivery takes place, that is another event. Okay. Is it like tightly coupled things based on an event? Another event takes place, so those two are in sync. At least the plain basic English, like no, normal in normal terms, I'm trying to think. Event based synchronization. It's a tightly coupled events. Like after an event, the example of order placed event, order placed, then payment event, the after payment event, delivery event. So they're all tightly coupled or event based synchronization.
You can think of queue. If
Okay.
you check the queue, what is doing? It's doing same thing.
Ah,
Make sense?
okay.
So means one topic, one response, and
Hmm.
one notification.
Ah,
Here we have, you can say, multiple parallel.
parallel. Okay.
So that's a not a sync, it's a synchronous.
Oh, okay.
Never shared DB, but it means
For example, orders DB should not be shared to payment DB. Payment DB cannot be shared to delivery DB. They all should be independent DBs. You can't mix up those.
okay. So now we need to move to a this handle failure most important.
Yeah, most important. Yes, correct.
So these are the ways. So how to implement a retry.
Mm,
These are the things. Okay. Like there is a function. This function can be a this is JavaScript only.
mm,
But you can we can hope you know JavaScript. If you don't know JavaScript, no worries. Whatever language you know,
ah,
we will write a code in that language. That's not an
okay.
issue for me. Makes sense.
Okay. Yeah, right.
So here what they are doing, they are let's say they perform a login.
Okay.
Okay, and for login they want to do this much of try, three
Oh,
tries
three
only.
tickets. Okay.
Okay, so for retry is a you can say common method here,
Mm,
and whatever function you need to apply, default is a three. If you want to increase more retry, then you can do that.
okay.
If it goes successful, there is no need to retry. If
Got
it's failed,
ah,
then we are checking this.
mm,
If retry means count is zero,
ah,
then don't means then we throw an error. Makes
Okay.
sense. If it's you can say this more than means less than this
Ah,
means it's in a given range, then we can go for retry again.
but
This we will hit this method again recursively.
ah,
Make sense?
correct. But in this small code, where is he incrementing the retry by one? Because, for example, first time I tried, then fails. Then it should go to retry minus one. Oh, it's already set to three. Oh, from three it is coming back. Okay, now I got it. Okay. Hmm.
Okay.
Okay, okay,
So this is a how to implement timeout. Retry there, timeout is there.
okay.
Okay. So here, based on that, we are checking this timeout
Hmm.
controller dot abort.
Hmm.
After this time we are aborting that.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Otherwise, we are going with the work, whatever
Okay,
we need to do. Make
okay.
sense?
Right, correct.
So, how to implement a idempotency?
Okay.
So you need to check means if that you can say some we need to basically require a key
Ah,
to check that.
okay,
So you need to check in a database. If you check this, then means user is trying to do again.
okay.
Make sense?
All right.
So if there we will use the same
Okay,
contest,
okay,
whatever is available.
okay,
Maybe it's in an initial phase or it's completed, whatever. But we need to require some key. Based on that, we can identify.
okay, okay.
Make sense?
Right, right.
You can say this is a flow. Process request success. Yes, done.
Hmm.
No retry.
Right.
Retry successful. No dead letter queue.
What is the dead letter Q?
Means right now you have means queue is you have a you can say queues long queue. Makes sense.
Okay,
For you can say your food or your this airport checking or ticket. You
okay,
have a long queue
okay,
and someone come with a specific needs,
okay.
some question. What you will do? Okay, you will take some pause
Ah,
and come inside, wait
ah,
for 10 minutes. I
ah,
will serve you later.
okay.
That's a dead letter queue.
Oh, okay, fine. Okay, okay. Right,
Make sense?
right, right.
So because this is special case, because retry failed.
Okay,
Whatever attempt we will is applied there, three attempt, four attempt, those are failed.
okay.
That means we need to serve that in a different manner and we need to think
Yeah,
how
right.
we can do that.
Okay, okay, okay.
Make sense?
Right, right.
So we'll put that in, we will pack that you can say client to a this dead letter queue.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay,
Food delivery system. Here user API gateway, order service, payment service, and order placed event, delivery service, notification service.
okay.
Okay.
Right.
So breakdown, order validation sync, payment sync,
Okay,
delivery assignment sync, async, notification async.
okay,
Or you can think about this pattern
okay,
means let's say if there is an emergency,
okay,
then you cannot wait for this operation
okay.
if it's emergency. Am I
Right,
right?
right.
Otherwise, if there is no emergency, then you need to follow the procedure.
Okay,
Like you need to go with a fasting. Patient should be a 24 or 12-hour fasting before operation.
okay,
They need to be a neat and clean.
Okay.
So trimming should be there, whatever portion of the body is going to operate. Am I right?
Okay.
But if Isra, you can say emergency, you cannot do that. You cannot wait for to follow that procedure. You need to do immediately.
Correct.
Okay.
Right.
Tool you should know:
Mm.
Apache Kafka, RabbitMQ, gRPC. Okay. And monitoring, for monitoring, there are tools which
Okay.
you need to know:
Mm-hmm.
Grafana and Cloud, AWS, Azure.
Okay.
Common mistake real industry. Check these, please.
Okay.
Using async everywhere.
Oh. Okay.
No retry logic.
Okay.
No timeout.
Okay.
Shared database.
Okay.
No monitoring.
Okay.
Make sense?
No, Max, here, for discussion sake, I want to know, shared database is yeah, definitely a no-no. Okay. No, why I'm bringing this question is, as I have worked in database a lot. See, for example, let's say I have designed one ERP for a small factory. Okay, so there the database is one. For example, I'm calling it as ERP database. That is the name of the database. Under that database, I have different module tables. For example, purchase order. Purchase order has got its own table set of tables. Those are around 2 to 3 or 4 tables are there with respect to purchase order. Then I receive the goods at GRN, goods receipt note I do. So that is another set of 2 to 3 tables. Once it comes into my store, I issue the items or the components to the production department. So I have stores inventory, issue module, different tables. Now, all these tables are uh, uh, independent, but they are all linked to one database called ERP database.
Yes, yes.
Different. Okay.
That's I told you.
Ah,
Here you don't understand. Means the database is we are talking about a databases, and each and every entity require a different database. No, we are talking about the sense of databases. Here is a table.
ah.
Make sense?
Okay, there is a table. Okay.
So means table. Each entity have their own table.
Ah, yes. Yeah. Now the same example I give you. Purchase order separate table, issue separate table.
Yes, it's work. Here
Ah,
also never share DB.
DB. Ah.
Means here is a table. DB
Mm.
means not a different DB.
Ah.
Means entity have need to be stored in a different table.
Ah, ah, ah. Okay.
Make
Okay. Yeah.
sense?
Yeah. Fine. Fine. Fine.
Finally, mental model means
User
you
sync validation, asynchronous processing, then event distribution, then failure handling. Okay.
so means whenever means user will not wait for your confirmation. You need to
Mhm.
give a confirmation as soon as possible.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Maybe in a steps. I will not
Okay.
say means you cannot. You will complete the things. Let's say 10 steps are there.
Ah.
You wait for 10 steps, then you will respond to the confirm to the user. No. If
Mm.
there are 10 steps, confirm the user or take a input from the user on a step by step.
Mm-hmm.
Don't go for long chain.
Okay. Okay.
This is synchronous. Sync.
Okay. Okay.
Asynchronous where processing is required. That
Mm-hmm.
time you can engage a user with the loading or stuff.
Okay.
Make sense?
Okay.
But user need to know.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Like today only, I am just explaining without sharing a screen.
Ah, ah, ah,
You
ah.
are thinking what's going on.
Ah, correct.
Deepak is speaking and I am not able to see anything.
Mm-hmm.
Make sense?
Right, right.
So You need to keep this thing in mind.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have any, you can say, concern or
No,
anything which is not clear to you?
no, I had few, and you were able to explain with some examples. I got at least the whole. I got the gist of it.
Okay. So now we need to check your document which you shared
Ah,
yesterday to me,
ah,
version 3,
ah,
and let's analyze that
ah,
as per your understanding. What we need to modify there, or we are good there.
ah.
Hope content, whatever I shared with you, and videos you have, those are
Ah,
useful for you.
yes, yes, yeah.
Problem statement, okay.
No, this remain the same. You have to come down. You have to come down on this, we know. Yeah, here. The challenges are the pain points in the boutique project. So far, my document has got only the happy path.
Okay.
Now, in our third class, we were discussing about the pain points, and I was supposed to give this document last week, but our one class I missed, so I couldn't give. That's why I came up with this now. So these are the challenges we will face in our project. Okay, like in fact, few of them we already discussed in today's class. For example, say the problem can be like the products page loading after 5 seconds. It's taking more than 5 seconds to load to bring the products. Yeah, this will definitely put off the customer. He will think twice to come into our website. Okay, then when user selects a product, it takes more than 5 seconds for the next page. Now, for example, he selected a product. Next, it has to take him to the order page. The next events has to happen, but there is a pause. Then he'll be wondering what is happening. Did I click correctly or not? Which product I clicked? He is in full dilemma. After some time, he brings the product what he has selected. So again, that is a big no-no. And then multiple users order same product at the same time due to okay, yeah. Now I don't know, but in reality, uh, say 10 users at exactly same time selecting the product is I'm not sure will that ever happen. But in case if it happens, let's say between the two users, among the two users themselves, at the exact same time, if they click order, so what will happen to my inventory? How inventory will be deducted? That one is one of the challenges. And then yeah, duplicate orders, a very big challenge.
Hold on,
Yes.
hold on. Please check this carefully and let me know. Do you think these are the real pain point, or you are going in a technical now?
See, if you take the first one, for example, first one is definitely not a technical one because uh,
Because you will think about a layman.
yeah, layman only. But the first point is layman.
Means you
Ah,
don't need to, you cannot discuss about this 5 second, 10 second. No, you are think like a customer point of view.
okay, they
Don't
take
think
more
like
time.
a
Okay,
don't think like you are a, you can say, technical person.
okay.
Here, whatever I am able to see, I'm able to clearly sense it's a technical person writing. It's a
Uh-huh.
not a client writing or a client pain point.
Oh, client facing problem. I should. Oh, okay. Got your point. I got your point. Okay, fine.
Make sense?
Okay. Then it calls for revision. That means I have yes, 100% you're true that I have thought in a technical angle only, not from a layman point of view. So now you want it from the layman point of view. This has been described in the other two in a plain English, simple English language, right?
Simple term, because these are the things which we need to consider in
Ah,
a non-functional.
Beautiful. Okay, fine. Then. Okay, okay.
That's a missing piece here.
Okay.
And you are overloading the things here.
Oh, I see. Okay, fine. Very, very good feedback you gave. Yes, I will try to modify
Like
this.
you can see over you are overthinking if user will do that.
Uh,
Man, we are on a requirement phase only right now.
okay, okay, okay,
Okay.
okay, okay.
You understand?
Okay, so we are in requirements phase. Oh, okay, okay, got it. Okay, I totally forgot about it. Okay, fine, right. I jumped the gun. Okay, fine, right. I jumped the queue. Okay,
Makes sense. So first to come up with the pain point, how we will solve that.
okay.
Then you can me think move ahead. Am I right or?
Okay, Deepak, I got your point. Okay, right.
Now you can say requirement phase only. You are talking about the you can say this if idempotency. You are talking about your this non-functional requirement.
Ah,
Man, what about our functional requirement? What
oh,
user can do, what user cannot do, what is
uh,
the role of the, you can say, user, what is the role of the admin?
hmm. Okay, okay,
So, what, so those, what I need to know those things.
okay,
I
okay.
am not interested to these, you can say, these are not pain point, man.
But not with respect to requirements phase. We are in this phase now, so I've gone many levels above. Okay, fine, right.
Means you need to do a revision and check.
Yes.
And whatever you are doing,
Ah,
just take a pause.
okay, fine. Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay, okay, right.
Because if you will do the practice in
Ah,
that manner, then you will understand the things.
yeah, 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 right, right. Okay.
Otherwise, if you will go with the influence of your previous bias or experience,
Ah,
you will do this kind of mistake again and again.
okay, 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 okay.
Makes
Yes,
sense.
yeah, makes sense. It definitely makes sense. Okay, fine. I got it. Okay, as though then mostly today or tomorrow you will get version 4. Okay, fine. Got it. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
and day by day, as you are able to see, we are moving forward.
Correct. Yes.
So if you will not complete your homework,
Ah,
then you will miss confused there.
yeah, yeah, right, 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 right.
So
Okay.
what I am understanding, we
Ah,
will not means 3 classes in a week is enough. Will
ah,
not
ah,
go so
ah.
that you got a more time on a
Yeah,
week.
correct, correct, correct. Yes, yes, Deepak. Got the point.
It's my suggestion only, but
Yeah, yeah, right, right.